Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Guys, today we are going to discuss about how to install Terraform on Jenkins. Last class we already completed how to install Terraform manually. This is the steps we are following. These are the steps we are following last class. So if you want to check the how to install manually, you can go through previous video. There is a part 1 and part 2 we have released, so there we rectified the issues, also troubleshooting. We faced some issues in that time, we resolved that issues in that call also. So that's why if you want to learn properly how we can install, so you can go through that previous videos, then you can come on through this how we had did this automation. So this is how we did the last class now, using these Terraform files eks.tf, provider.tf, vpc.tf. These files, what is the this file will contain this, I already explained previous classes. You can go through it. I will not explain again, it will go very lengthy video. So I will change whatever I required, so then only I will proceed it, right? So I will change whatever I required, but I will not explain in detail now. So remaining files, today we are going to do the Jenkins, using Jenkins, right? So first of all, we need to install Jenkins. So if you want to do this activity using Jenkins, now first of all we require the server and Jenkins, and whatever required AWS CLI and Terraform. These are the prerequisites we required. So first we need to complete these prerequisites now. Then only we can start our activity, how we can install via Jenkins file Terraform. You can see Jenkins file also here. Let me show you that. This is my simple Jenkins file. I will show you how we can write like step by step. We can go for this, then only you guys can understand, right? Okay. Okay, first of all, we need to start that our server. I will explain meanwhile, whenever that Jenkins server will install, right? In that time I will come to this manifesto file, what is inside the manifesto file, and what is inside that installer.sh. Okay. Okay, we can start now. Let me launch one server. Jenkins automation. Okay, I'm selecting Ubuntu. So I require T2 medium. I will go for freestyle only. And I will select T2 medium. So I require 2 CPUs and 4 GB RAM. So that's why I selected T2 medium. Key pair I have already there. If you want, you can generate new key pair. I have already key pair. And I will select existing security group. I have the existing security group. If you want, you can also use, or you can create new security group, no issue. And advanced details, go to advanced details. Here we have one user data. In this user data now, we are going to install everything whatever we required prerequisites: Jenkins, AWS CLI, Terraform. So let me show you that script. So come to this again, my Jenkins, sorry, Bitbucket, GitHub. Here one installer.sh is here. Here I have mentioned everything whatever I required. So Java I required, and Jenkins I required, and also HashiCorp I required, and Terraform also required, kubectl I required, and AWS CLI is required. So these are the things I have like I need, right? So that's why like I prepared one script. Copy this, sorry, go here and paste it. That's it. Then launch it. So this will take like 2 to 3 minutes. So this will install everything automatically. So after that we need to verify one thing here. So we have selected existing security group, right? That will like all the required ports are available or not, we need to find out. So I need a Jenkins for AWS, sorry, 8080, and cluster I have installed all the opened all the ports for cluster. So remaining is by default. Okay, so it is running, but still it is on status and installation state. Meanwhile we can go for that Bitbucket. Let me explain remaining. So installer.sh is, these are the like things are there, whatever I is required. So I have prepared the script, and Jenkins file I have already explained. We will do the by like going for video. And manifest file is something like deployment and service YAML file. If you want to, you can use automatically. Otherwise you can install that manually also. Last class we installed the manually in Linux, so you can do that. If you want, I will show you how to deploy automation like deployment and service YAML file. We will see the next class on this. Okay. Okay, I think our server will ready. Copy this public IP, go to this, paste it to Ubuntu, and select the key pair. Sudo su, you can check it, Jenkins is installed or not. Yes, systemctl status Jenkins service is not found. Systemctl restore the Jenkins. Let me restart this. I think Jenkins is failed. Jenkins service control existed systemctl Jenkins service. Status of Jenkins. Jenkins is failed. So Java version. Java is installed. Terraform version. Terraform also installed. AWS CLI version. AWS. What is the command? AWS CLI. CLI is not there. Okay, take next kubectl version. Okay, kubectl also working. So we require Jenkins, right? Something issue in the Jenkins level. Let me, I think path it will not save. Let me save that path. Status Jenkins continue integration file to Jenkins and exist the ports or the request. I think there is some issue. Jenkins 17 is required. So sorry, Java 17 is required, but Java is running 11 only. So that's why. So let me install Java 17. Somewhere comments are there. Let me check. Last time I did something. Deployment AWS was Git code developer. We can use this. We are installing Java 17. Let's see this time will work or not. Auto mode is there already. Okay, TK. Cancel this. Java version we can check. Okay, 17 is there. Now we can start. Set that path. Let me restart again. Still it is failing. Okay, now it's working. I think what we did something issue. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. So now it started. So let's go to the Jenkins. What is our public IP? Copy this. Go here. Paste 8080. So our Jenkins is up and running. So this is how we can troubleshoot. Like if you face any issue. We are checking this key. Let me paste here. Continue this and install the required plugins. After installing these required plugins, it will show the username passwords. So I have by default. Let me change username. Let me save this. Save and finish. So our Jenkins is ready. So now what we can do, we can create one new item, terraform auto terraform auto job we can use, pipeline we can use. So go to pipeline, go to my Bitbucket, so GitHub. Here I have the Jenkins file, right? Go here and go to this Jenkins, copy this, till checkout says we can check. Okay, till checkout, sorry, we can go for one by one, so it will understand better to understand this. And here we require like agent I use any, but we require the AWS CLI and access key, secret key, and also checkout we require. And we can check the syntax also. One is there, 1 2. I think syntax is correct. Okay, syntax is correct. We need to just do the two things. One is the checkout branch. We can create the pipeline syntax. Here you can select checkout from Git version. Select the Git, paste the your repository. This is my repository URL. Paste here. And credential I don't require. This is the public. So branch, main branch. Okay, that's it. You can generate that. Copy this and paste it here. Okay, that's it. Something syntax issue 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 is there. 1 is pending. 1 2 3 4. 1 is required. Okay, syntax is correct. Now we can do the AWS access key, secret key. 1 2 3 4. 2 3 4. Then one more is required. Okay, syntax is correct now. Now we can go to the dashboard again. Manage Jenkins, credential, system, global credentials, add credential, select the secret test. Here we can create the secret. My secret keys are there. This is my AWS secret key, sorry, access key. Paste here, ID, AWS access key ID. We can use this. Paste here, description also same, and create one more. Same thing, we can use secret key. Above one is the access key and this is the secret key. Okay, done. Now I have the AWS access key and secret key. Go to again dashboard, go to this and build this job. Okay, I am able to pull the code in successfully. Okay, next step we can go to configure pipeline. What is the next step? Here check what is done. Terraform init we can read. Like last time, like previous class we did these commands are manually. You can check here. These all the commands we did manually. We have completed the previous sessions. You can go through the better understand like what these commands will do. Okay, next copy this entire script. We can remove this too and paste it here. Now we need to do one thing. So like here there is a input messages are there, input approve or proceed, and also we can use auto like approve, uh, like destroy or create. So if you want to use the apply we can create it, that I will show you how to we can use the build with parameters. So meanwhile, before proceeding this, we need to do some changes in that Terraform script. Go to Terraform script, sorry, Terraform script. Here EKS, I use this in previous configuration only. Previous class you can go through better understand. Next, provider.tf, US East 1. Let me check that. Okay, US East 1, US East 1A 1B. Go to APC. This is our CADR range. Just edit this and paste it. Here also you need to change 172.31. This you need to copy all subnets. These changes we did that last class. If you want to understand, you can go through the previous classes. Why we are doing. Okay, commit these changes. Updated required changes in provider.tf. Okay, commit this. 1 minute. Okay, so changes are done provided VPC. I think nothing required. Okay, now go back to our Jenkins. Go to this job, go to configuration, go to build with parameters. Here you can use choice parameter and action. Why we are using, you remember, right? We pass the we pass that inputs in the Jenkins file. So that's why we are passing the inputs. If you want to apply, if you want to destroy, use the destroy command, destroy. So this is the required. So if you want to apply the changes, or if you want to like uh, destroy the changes. Okay, let me do that. Now it's showing the build with parameters. Apply it. Let's see how it's. So cloning happened. Now Terraform installation is going on. Terraform validation is executing. Terraform plan is running. So here asking the button process. Why it is asking? Let me go to Jenkins file. So this is asking if you want to install or not. Okay, go to proceed here. If you want to abort now, it will disconnect this job. It will not start the installation. So Terraform apply it is starting. So VPCs are creating. We can wait for some time. I think we already know it will take around 20 minutes. So we need to wait for until that. This is very easy, something we learn freshly, so we can use these things and all. We can practice our end also, then only it will understand better. See, I also did the practice, after that I understand the simple way, so that's why I creating this. So we need to wait for until this complete. So this is the way we can install using Jenkins also for automation. If you require your company's level automation, like you can use this way, and you can do the manual also. We can install the use the Terraform files, and you can use init, plan, validate, apply. These are the commands. It will install automatically. Okay. Let's see. We can wait for some time. This will take definitely some time. We can wait for until cluster will start. Okay, now EKS cluster is still creating. Now go to EKS, let's see. Okay, now cluster is started to creating. So definitely it will work. We need to wait for some time. CI/CD I will not. Oh, like actually I don't have exact code, so I will show you how to deploy the sample Nginx file. So same thing, you can use CI/CD also if you want the entire script now. I will. This is the entire script. I will show you Maven clean install and some scripts testing running code coverage and Docker push prepare the like customization Kubernetes how to push the image into ACR and you can use the Docker tag and Docker push and also you can fetch that something like deployment YAML files and service.yaml file. After that you can check the readiness liveness probes. These are the like end-to-end pipeline. So this I will upload it to my GitHub. You can refer this. So sorry. Next class we will see how to deploy and how we can execute the uh, ingress outside. And I want to check like how many like uh, like uh, views are coming, like how many members are checking these videos, like then only I will plan to next videos. Like I'm planning to istio also, istio upgrade and istio installation, like after that one version to another version how to update. These are the things I'm planning next classes. So anyway we have the EKS cluster, right? So next class we will plan one by one, but before that I need something like how many users are checking these videos or like that. Please comment and subscribe this. So after that we will plan next level videos. think still it is creating. I think almost 10 minutes completed. I think still it is creating. I think it's done now. Okay, cluster is active. I think add-ons are going on. Add-ons, networks, compute. Node groups are connecting. Okay, node groups are creating. See, VPCs and everything subnets are created. Node groups are starting. Still it is not showing here. Let it complete. We will wait for this. Once it is done, then it will work. health issues, building checks. These are the node issues. If any issues, no, it will throw error here. So by default, for these are the ports, everything. Kube proxies, core DNS. Default ports or networking ports are these. Node group still it's not creating. Success, it's not creating one group. So it's created. Okay. Okay, our cluster is ready. We can try to access the cluster. See our Jenkins job is success. Okay, completed the resources and everything. Let me try to access the cluster. Use this command. Paste here. Copy that cluster name. Cloud. You can configure the credential AWS configure who. Okay, we require that credentials also here. So this I already done the last class. If you want to check this how to connect the cluster, but I will show you for 2 minutes. It's already late. Region US system. XCTL with ports. Okay, done right. So how to destroy the cluster? Go to Jenkins, go to pipeline, go to this, build with parameters, apply to destroy. So it will destroy everything. Let me continue or destroy this. I will close this video. Let me think at my end. So remaining topics I will continue or not. Okay, thanks all. Bye.